Welcome to a Bruhl instructional video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the basic operation of your motorcycle dryer. You'll notice that the dryer outlet on the machine itself has 4 specific cutouts. These line up perfectly with the end of the connector hose, which has 4 notches. They fit into the dryer outlet and twist clockwise to lock into position. Once in place, you'll be able to install one of 3 attachments to the end of the hose. These are all a simple installation which require no more effort than pushing into place, maybe a twist from side to side to lock them firmly in position, and the job is done. On top of the device is a dual switch. In its resting state, it lays neutral with neither on or off. Flick the switch to single turbine for 1400 watts of drying power. Return the switch to the neutral position. Select twin turbine for the full 2800 watts of power. Before using a motorcycle dryer, be sure to move your wet motorcycle to a dry area. Don't aim the air jet at yourself or others, and be sure to have a firm grip of the air nozzle before turning on the machine. When drying the motorcycle, be sure to keep the air nozzle at least 4 centimeters away from the bodywork and keep it moving at all times. Take care around delicate areas of your motorcycle such as paintwork, unlacquered decals, and wiring looms.